Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you some home-based 10-minute activity that you can do with your toddlers at home. So the first activity I did with my toddler was I took a sponge, baking sticks and few colored straws and I cut them in small pieces, and then he started placing those straws in different sections of the baking sticks, which increased his motor skill as well. The second activity I have over here is the cutting activity. I drew few lines on the colored paper and gave him a scissor, and he practiced cutting these lines on that piece of paper. The third activity is more like a fishing rubber band, and I took few rubber bands and they are pulling out the rubber bands with a baking stick. Every child like water games, so I poured the water in it and few rubber bands in it, and they had to fish out all the rubber band slowly and gradually, which increased their motor skill as well. In this activity, I took home cutlery and I divided all the cutlery in different parts, and I told him to place all the cutlery according to what he sees in it, and learn about big, medium, small, and as well as butterknife and fork identification as well. The last activity I did was stacking the cups. My 1-year-old, she just woke up, so I gave few color cups to her and made the activity interesting for her, and she loved stacking the cups in the cup holder. She loved placing them one by one. It got really interesting for her. So I made her do these stacking cups 2 different ways, and she loved and enjoyed how there are ways to stack the cups. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.